Be still. Wait a minute. I'll get y'all in a second. Be still, man. It's not nothing to eat. We're gonna measure your ears. We got 7 inches. Come here, Rosie. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Rosie has 7 inches also. Come here, Sonny. Oh, you want me to measure your length? Come here. Jack is 34 inches long. Come here. I'll measure you too. Yeah, straighten yourself out. Okay, we won't do it then. Come here, Sonny. Come here, let me get... You're the only one I haven't gotten. Sonny is also 7 inches. Who wants to get their length now? You gonna stay straight? Of course not. Well, we'll just guess. Straighten out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 27.